Unraveling English. Get a grip on separable phrasal verbs. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to tackle a very interesting and essential part of English grammar: separable phrasal verbs. By the end of this video, you'll understand what these verbs are, how to use them, and why they're so important in everyday English. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words from different categories, like a verb and a preposition or a verb and an adverb. However, when we talk about separable phrasal verbs, we mean those verbs that you can separate by inserting other words in between them. For example, turn off is a separable phrasal verb because you can say, turn the light off, or turn off the light. The beauty of separable phrasal verbs is that they give you flexibility in your sentence structure. You can place the object of the verb either after the preposition, adverb, or in the middle of the phrasal verb. Let's see a few examples. Take off your shoes. Take your shoes off. Put on your coat. Put your coat on. However, it's important to note that when the object is a pronoun, like it, them, her, it must go in the middle. Take it off, not take off it. Put them on, not put on them. There are many separable phrasal verbs in English. It's good to familiarize yourself with them as they are widely used in both written and spoken language. Here are a few commonly used ones. Bring up, to mention or start to talk about something. Call off, to cancel. Check out, to examine or investigate. Fill out, to complete a form by writing information on it. Give up, to stop trying. Turn down, to refuse or reject. Phew! We've come to the end of our lesson on separable phrasal verbs. It's a topic that can seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember, mastering these verbs can really help you sound more natural when you speak English. So keep practicing and make them part of your daily language use. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!